back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Quilux blue light filter. It's enabling the blue rays. It removes blue rays from your computer. So if you have an older PC, you cannot turn on the blue filter. This will be great to protect your eyes. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys. By the way, this one is the gold round metal style. They have a silver one, black color, so you can choose from. But this one I got it out of eBay for 17 something, so free shipping, and with tax and everything is about 19 something, so less than 20 bucks. So way back I got the 99 cents blue filter glasses, but that's made out of plastic frame for only 99 cents. I guess it was a new seller from China, so they were trying to attract new customers, so they were selling super low. So yeah, anyway, let's go and then show you guys what I got. And this is made in China. It says America's leading computer glasses brand, Cysox Technology Group Limited. Here's your technical support and everything, and then a website to check it out. So this is a design in USA and then made in China. See different, enjoy more. And blue light blocking computer glasses. So this one's an anti-digital eye fatigue, and then minimize digital headache. So yeah, if you keep on looking at your screen too much, you might get a headache, and then better sleeping. It's a UV protection. And here's a little message. We hope you are satisfied with the product, but if you don't, our service is friendly and worry-free. Wow, come with like a Ray-Ban style case. What is that? Oh, it's a testing kit. Wow, it is pretty tight fit in there. Actually, let me get it out. So this one's a Ziploc bag. Check it out with the kit. Wow. Here are the testing steps. Get the blue light torch from the package. Put the lens of Cysox glasses above the testing area. Turn on the torch. Beam the testing area through the lens for about 2 seconds, the area hardly turns blue. Beam the area without Cysox glasses, the area turns blue immediately. Alright. So we're gonna do the test. Okay, take out the glasses first. Got this nice gold accents on the top of the eyeglass case. Yeah, this one is kind of remind me of the Ray-Ban style. And this one is like a red. So you got a nice black microfiber cleaning cloth. Looks pretty big. Wow, nice. Got their branding with their registered trademark right there. Discover beauty with your eyes. Wow, this one's pretty thick. It's gonna last a long time. Here's the glasses. And again, this one's a Ziploc. Wow, pretty nice quality. So there's a screw for the lens. So you could actually remove the lens. Maybe you could use this as a prescription. Alright, so let's go ahead and test this out. Alright, so we're gonna shine this blue light torch and then point it through the lens and then the testing area. So now the light is on. Okay, so you don't see any blue. So that protect your eyes from the blue rays. So now if I pointed the blue rays over there on the testing area, it turns blue. Okay? Let me use my 99¢ and test this out too. So this is the pair of that I got for 99¢, but this is a plastic frame. So we're gonna test this out too. So so this one is not as good. Okay. So that's what you get for 99 cents. But if I look far enough away from the monitor, should be fine because I've been wearing this and it has like a little kind of like a beige tone to it. Ooh, so yeah, it still turns blue. Let's try this side. So that means it is not strong compared to the one that I just got, or the round metal. Yeah, it still turns blue. So this is how you test it. Okay, let me try this one again. So if I go further down, then yeah, it's going to turn blue. Well, not really. So this one's pretty good glasses. So test on this side. And I don't see any blue at all. If I put it right close to it, then yeah, there's a dot. Wow. So yeah, this one is a pretty good Blu-ray blocker. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.